Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening YouTube Studio and choosing Create Short. Make sure you already have the audio file or a saved YouTube clip. This saves time. Once done, click Upload or drag the audio into the editor area so you start syncing visuals. You should allow file and microphone permissions if prompted. This avoids interruptions. Don't skip checking audio format. MP3 or WAV work best. Because incompatible, now you import or record your video and place it on the timeline below the audio waveform. This is where timing matters. Once the clip is visible, drag to align key visual moments with the audio beats so viewers feel the sync. Use zoom on the timeline for precision. Make sure to trim the audio to the short's maximum duration, then adjust speed and fades so dialogue isn't cut off. These tweaks keep your short natural and engaging rather than jarring. To finish, export the short as a 9/16 MP4 under 60 seconds, then preview playback on both desktop and mobile because YouTube may render differently. Once satisfied, add title, hashtags, and choose visibility before uploading. If the audio drifts or stutters after upload, reopen the project, realign the waveform to the video, or replace the audio source with a freshly encoded MP3. This usually fixes sync issues. Make sure to check volume levels again to avoid muted audio problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.